6.
30 seconds?
Yes, sir.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me what's in here real quick? For the video, why not?
Bass-wise, I've got 2 Def Box 12s. I've got a Wolfram 4500, wired at 1 ohm. Mids, I've got the Tear Amps 3K on the 8 DD drives, 8s. I've got the Stetson 404 back there on the super tweeters.
Yep.
And there's another amp back there for future purposes.
Okay. Awesome.
That's about it.
Is it what kind of box? Is it custom or prefab?
Custom.
Okay. We'll see it afterward. I'll get
Okay.
here demo first. Sure. Yeah, I'm ready, man. Thank you.
I want to shut the door.
Yeah. Does better door shut?
Yep. Door shut with the windows.
Oh, you got some screws in there.
Yeah, you good.
Okay. You ready, Jess?
Where's it at? There it is.
Relax, you're about to get mystified. This town ain't got no nightclub. We don't need the neon lights. Girl, I got that 87 gassed up, 30 early out there in the drive. Keep your eyes cold and take a sip. Get it going. Looking at you with your hand out the window. I'm turning around while you're turning me on. Riding roads that don't nobody go down. A little jet through the countryside. 30 years, can't put up around. I hit a curve just to make you stop. Town ain't got no nightclub. We don't need the neon light. Girl, I got that 87 gassed up, 30 early out there in the drive. nightclub. We don't need the neon lights. Girl, I got that 87 gas tub, party early out there in the drive.
That was 37 to 68. All right. Sweet. Appreciate it, man. Can I see the box?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, the base, or
Nah, when we were building the door panel, the handle.
it broke the handle? Okay. And the tweeters, the mids sound really good. Oh, that's a big port.
Yeah, it's custom box.
Spec-wise tuning, do y'all know the tuning?
Absolutely.
What's the tuning on it? You have no idea?
Not gonna say.
Me looking at it with the port area versus the cubic space, I'm saying it's probably tuned to 44 to 46 hertz.
You're right. 45.97.
That's close. All right. You calculated it, didn't you? Have you peaked or metered yet? Okay. How did it do?
We had a bad ground yesterday, so on the NSPL meter, we put what, a 149.8, but we did a 150.5 in the kick. We'll average this down like a 148.6.
30 seconds?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Kick and then move, also with a bad ground.
Yeah.
We've done what, a 147 and some change on the dash, on the glass. So
Okay.
it's definitely a high base build.
Team Absolute Audio.
Yep.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir, you too.
Thank you.
This town ain't got no nightclub. We don't need the neon lights. Girl, I got that 87 gas tub, 30 early out there in the drive.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.